What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today, and Godox has done it again. Now, before I start, I just want to let you know, although I've worked with Godox before in the past, I bought this product with my own money, and in fact, it was extremely hard. I mean, right now it's even on back order, but hopefully when you watch this video, it won't be. Now, what product am I talking about? I am talking about the Godox X3, or if you shop at Adorama, the Flashpoint R2 Nano. Now, last year I was actually reviewing this guy right here, the xPro 2 trigger by Godox, praising all of the changes that they made that was warranted. I was so happy about them. But who would have thought that I would have been here now praising this guy right here for being as simple as it is? Picture the iPhone and what makes it as popular as it is. It's the simplicity. You can literally give an iPhone to anybody regardless of age and they will automatically know what to do. It's the same exact experience when dealing with this trigger. In fact, when I was doing the unboxing for this, I actually was learning as I was going. And by the end of that unboxing, I knew how to use this trigger completely. That is definitely a big selling point. Now, when it comes to Godox's other triggers, it's not that they're that complex, but they are no close to being as simple as this. And I know that with it being touchscreen and everything, it may scare you away because you think that it is so hard. Trust me, once you get down to gestures, and by gestures, I mean the swiping directions from up to down and from left to right. Once you start to understand that, from there, it is all smooth sailing. Trust me on that. Now, one thing I see people complain about online a lot is when it comes shipped, it's actually in the Chinese language, but that's actually an easy fix. Once you go to the menu, just look for the globe. It is a digital screen, beautiful. The icons are beautiful, to say the least. So just look for the globe. Once you touch it, you will see something said in Chinese, which I can't read, and then you'll see English written in English. So just click English and there you have it. You will be in English. Let's go to the next thing. Now, one thing that I like a lot is the new locking mechanism. And even with the xPro trigger 2, and I have it right here, I was so happy when they brought this. Let me show you. When they brought the fact that you could just do that and it was locked. And then when you want to unlock it, you push it, go that way, and it's unlocked. That to me in itself was incredible because I got tired of doing all of this twisting, not wanting to kind of ruin your hot shoe or your cold shoe by pushing it down too far. But like I said, it doesn't get any easier than this. Like having that button right there, well, all you got to do is push the button and slide it in. And once you want to take it out, you just push the button and pull it back. And then you're done. That, like, as soon as you take your hand off of that button, and I could try to show you right here. When you press the button right here, right? Let's see, can we get it? Yeah, see that right? Oh, perfect. That, yeah, look at that. See that? That right there, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. It is so easy. And you know, sometimes it takes one company or one product to implement something, and the next thing you know, everybody else will. So that is one thing that I do hope that a lot of other manufacturers take advantage of, because man, that right there, it does not get any better than that right there. I would love to see that on a lot of other manufactured products. Also, another thing that I've seen online that a lot of people are concerned about is the battery life. Now, once again, dealing with the old xPro, you had AA batteries that you could just put right there. But the thing about it is this actually has a built-in battery and you charge it with USB-C. Now, how is the battery life? All I can say is so far since I've had this, I've done 6 shoots. And look, the battery, hopefully you can see that. You cannot, just take my word for it. It's still full. Now, am I saying that you will get the same battery life out of the xPro 2 trigger? I personally don't think so. I literally have not changed the batteries in my xPro 2 trigger at all. But I haven't charged this one at all. But I just don't think that, with the features, with how bright this actually can be and all of that, I don't think that I'll be able to go a full year off of a single charge. I just don't think that's possible. But the fact that you could get 6 sessions out, right, without charging it, and it's still all 3 bars, it's still full. that speaks a lot. You know, just keep an external battery in your camera bag, and if it gets to a point like that, then go ahead on and do it. Now, I will say, when I first took it out the box, I did charge it. I left it on the charger, and while I had it on the charger, I still was like testing it with the button for you to be able to like fire your flashes. I still was able to do that. So I'm not sure if you could put an external on it and then still use it with your camera, but that's another thing for you to be able to do. And another thing is they also give you a time limit that you can use, so you can automatically shut it off, so it's not just wasting batteries. Me personally, I chose 30 minutes because if I'm not using it for 30 minutes, just shut it off. Now, I think that Godox is trying to tell us something on the low. Now, last year when the xPro 2 trigger came out, it let us go down to 512 power, but with no updates coming to any of our strobes, nothing utilizes that 512 power. And this year, they're letting us go from grades A to E and 1 to 9. And once again, none of our flashes, none of our strobes can actually do that. Now, are they saying that there will be something in the future? Are we getting new lines of the 200, the 100, the 300, the 400, the 600? And if so, which one would you want? Me personally, I would love to see a new 200 redesign that doesn't overheat as quickly, that can cool down and really utilize high-speed sync the way my AD300 Pro does. I would love to see Godox reinvent the AD200 and make it so much better. Do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. And I'm pretty sure Godox is tired of me talking about this, but I'm going to keep talking about it forever. Sorry. Also, another thing to mention is, if you join my Discord, I was giving away a Nano or X3 trigger for everybody at the end of March. And now that we are in April right now, I am doing another giveaway for the same exact product. So if you want to win one of these triggers, join the Discord, enter into the giveaway. It is absolutely free. And if you win, you will get the Godox X3 trigger. Okay. So until the next time, guys, I hope you like this review. Go out and buy one if you can get one. Hopefully they become readily available, right? Because right now it's just not. But go ahead on and get you this trigger. And until the next time, guys, I will see you later. Peace.